Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, hair care, anything related to beauty you will find on this channel. And I love drugstore makeup, so if that's interests you, makeup, skincare, anything related to beauty, and if that's interests you, please consider subscribing, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families. And now without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to quickly show you what skincare I do after like makeup. So I was about to remove my makeup, so I thought, why not just let's shoot it. Like, yeah. So the makeup remover I am obsessed with is this one. This is my second bottle. I have already finished one. So this is the oil infused micellar cleansing water by Blue Heaven. Yeah, like I don't know why I even have to look it. Like, I'm using it since ages now. So yeah, quickly just tying my hairs. So I'm going to just shake it like really well. You have to, any by face micellar water, do shake it really well. I'm going to take it on my back, on my palm, and I'm going to just start slowly, gently rubbing. You can use cotton pad, but I don't like to use cotton pads. I use it only, if it's necessary. I think for removing makeup I can skip it. So yeah, just for environmental reason. And you can see a little bit of this, micellar water, and your makeup will be gone. See, all my eye makeup, like everything is gone. My mascara is not water proof, so this is more than enough to take that also. Going to just gently rubbing it, like to make sure that everything is squeaky clean. So I'm going to quickly go and wash my face, and I'll be back. I forgot to take this on my neck as well. Okay, so this is my face after face wash. Okay, so this is the face wash I'm currently using. It is really good. It takes all your makeup, and a little bit of mascara residue can be there, So yeah, this is the face wash I'm currently using. It's like really, it takes all of the gunk out of your face, but it is really good if you have oily skin. For me, it's like really dry. So I'm going to go ahead with my minimalist salicylic acid serum. If you have oily skin, you can use toner. For me, I don't see a difference, so I don't use my toner, for my regular skincare. So I'm going to take this again on my palm, and I'm going to just massage, dab this and massage this. And this is really, healing my skin. My acne are really tamed down because of this salicylic serum. I am like maybe halfway down, and this has reduced so much of my acne. Now I have bought the niacinamide 2 after seeing the result. It's slightly on the expensive side, but if it's working, I think it is worth it. And yeah, okay, now I'm going to just go ahead with my moisturizer. This is Minimalist Sepi Clam Oat Moisturizer, 3% Sepi Clam. I don't know what it is. Like, I'm not a skincare guru, okay? Don't ask me like what is salicylic acid. I only know that salicylic acid is good for acne, and this Sepi Clam, I don't know what it is, but it is like really good. Like, the combination of these two has healed my acne, so I'm happy. I just typed acne in Nykaa, and whatever was there, I just bought it, and I'm happy. Like, I don't know that much about skincare. And this is just a quick 3-step skincare, no 1000-step. I don't know how people manage to do that, like 7-step, 10-step, and I'm like, how do you do that? So yeah, this is the quick 3-step skincare routine that I'm following and seeing a great difference in my skin. So I thought, let's just quickly share this with you guys, and you can see Like I still have acne scars, that's why I bought the niacinamide. That is really good for acne scars. And yeah, once I will be done with salicylic acid, I will move on to the niacinamide and I will update you what I feel about it. Now if my skin is like really dehydrated, I go ahead with this Biotic night cream. This is youth nourishing night cream. Now this is really thick. If you have dry skin, only use this. So yeah, I take this wherever I feel like I have a lot of dry skin, like yeah, just here, not like, yeah, here I have a lot of dryness, like dry patches. So I just use this wherever I think like my skin is really dry. So yeah, for lip balm, I just use my Borolene because nothing helps in winter. I have really dry chapped lips, and I forgot. I think I forgot to bring my Borolene here. So yeah, everybody knows Borolene. Do I have to explain? So if you have really dry lips, try Borolene. Otherwise, the Blue Heaven, lip balm is also good, but not that good. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.